Want to paint plein air style but don't know where to start? Do this to be a confident plein air painter no matter what your skill level. Today I'm showing you how I get set up for plein air painting when I'm out in the field. Then you'll be able to jump right into this fun pastime. I'm currently using a tripod and Pochade Box system from Sienna. There'll be links in the description if you like what you see and you're interested in getting one for yourself. I love using a tripod system because it's nice and sturdy and it allows you to adjust the legs for bumpy ground like we're on today. It's really easy to get things nice and secure and level. And there's even a little bubble up here, like a little level, that shows you if you're level or not, and off you go. Okay. Now I'm gonna grab my Pochade Box. It has a clip system on the bottom that's similar to what you would have with a camera and a tripod. So just make sure everything's nice and tight. Here's the lever on the tripod, and that's just gonna tilt and clip in. Hear that click? Just double check to make sure the lever on the tripod is engaged, and you're ready to go. I'm gonna give it a little wiggle. It's nice and solid. Always a good idea to double check because I know from experience what it's like to have your Pochade Box actually fall right off, right in the middle of painting. It's not fun. I've got my Pochade Box on here. There's this nice little tray. I'm gonna take off and save for in just a second to show you what to do with that. And then to get this opened up, there's this little arm here. Slide that back, close the knobs to get it steady. And now I've got my easel surface ready to go. And now that little shelf that I took off the back, it pops right there and makes a nice little tray table. Now, this is my wet panel carrier. My painting surfaces are in here. Just need to grab what I want, and it goes up here on my Pochade Box. Make the necessary adjustments to get that in so that it's nice and tight, not gonna blow away on you, and boom, you're ready to go. Now that my tripod and box are all set up, I like to make sure all of my stuff is kind of neatly under my easel. And I have this little hook here that is really handy for hanging my backpack there. That ends up serving as a weight so that in gusty weather, it's gonna help your setup not to blow over. And now it's time to add our actual painting supplies. I've got my little travel canister, that's my little thinner bucket. It gets hung with this little hook right here on the front, and it's an easy reach. And this Ziploc bag, I always hang it inside there to contain the mess. Then I've got brushes. They're gonna go on my little travel tray there. And whatever oil paint you use can be squirted out on your palette. Just remember to grab your paper towels and a little trash bag and stick them somewhere around here where they're handy, and you're gonna be all set. And that is how I get set up for plein air painting when I'm out in the field. And now you can do it too.